Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to double the speed of your DREAME TV using a simple Google TV speed hack. So before we go to the trick itself, I want you to change some essential settings on your TV that will also help you make your TV much faster than it is now. First of all, let's go to settings and let's scroll down to system menu in settings. And first thing I want you to do is check for system update. Now in system, you have to go to the about section, then select system update, and then let your TV check for available updates. And if you find some update for your TV, then download and install it. And then let your TV restart. And the next step that I recommend you taking is changing your power mode by going to power and energy modes. Let's go to energy modes and from here and select increased mode. Then select confirm. And right now the increased energy mode is active and your TV is working at its maximum speed. Now the secret trick I wanted to show you in this video is accessing the developer options and making your device's interface speed literally twice as faster as it is faster from the current one. So let's first go to the about menu and let's scroll down to Android TV OS build. Highlight this option and click OK button 7 times until you see you are now a developer notification. Then go back to system and then scroll down to developer options. Now in developer options, we're gonna have to take a long scroll down the settings until we spot the animation scales. Here we go. So window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Change all of these values to 0.5x. So select each value and change animation scale to 0.5x. And this will make your TV twice as fast. You can make it even more faster by disabling the animations, but this will also I don't think that it is necessary, and you will also lose this smoothness of the of navigating between the elements on your interface, which you still have right now. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.